Incoming transmission from Ray.
BD-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we begin flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer.
He's trying to figure it out.
Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll reroute with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're loading up.
It's the whole experience.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is waiting 30 seconds. Yes. Check the hyperdrive holster.
Transport take off.
Engage propulsions and hold on, recruits. All ships launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us!
Warning coming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake your blow!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tragedy. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
All right,
I have a bad feeling.
the big reveal.
Stand back from those doors.
This vessel's now in the hand of the First Order. Proceed one group at a time. 2. Followed by 1.
This
6.
is crazy.
Go.
What do you think?
God, it's amazing. Sweet, you're actually in the hangar bay. You can see the shield. The shield and the force field and the ships flying outside, right outside of me. That's amazing. It's a cell. Did you say cell?
It's a cell. It's a cell.
We're in prison.
Yeah, we're being taken prisoner.
You're supposed to have the Octavia.
Take a picture, both of you guys.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Give a breach and then touch it block 3.
Your cover is blown. Find
Oh my God! No way!
droids anyway.
Oh my God!
There they are! Fire! These safe pods just below us! Take the lift now! Hurry!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods. The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Son, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Ourselves. Hold on.
Go down.
Oh my God.
Oh my
shots came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffery's copy.
Lieutenant, yeah,
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
That's a video.
You too.
So first of all, I have to do this again as soon as possible. It was absolutely amazing. The first thing I noticed is the attention to detail. It's not just a ride. It really is an experience. The attention to detail, the blaster marks, the burn marks for the blasters, the way everything feels, the way they make you feel when you're on the ride is just amazing. It's not just a quick ride. You feel like you're getting on like a roller coaster, a quick thrill. You're getting off. You feel like it's taking a long time, and you really feel like you're going way out there. You're going through the whole prison experience, and you're coming back. So I don't know. It's just it's crazy the way they make you feel like you're really there. I can tell you it's nothing. If you've never done it before, you can't imagine what you're going to experience. You're not going to know what to expect. You can't imagine what to expect. It's great. I love it. I got to do it again.
All right. I'm so glad that you liked it. Betty, what did you think?
I think it was super awesome coming from Jersey. Last time I came here, couldn't ride it because it was full, and it was well worth the wait that I had to wait. 10 out of 10.
All right, Mom?
Awesome experience. I would definitely do it again. It feels like you're on the ride. I mean, it feels like you're in space, actually. Like you're part of the Star Wars crew.
We joined the resistance.
And Coda, this was your first time riding.
It was cool. It was fun. I'd do it again. I don't want to be here an hour before park opening to do it again.
Yeah, it's kind of the trade-off. It's a fun ride, but you got to get here nice and early for it. Yeah, thank you. So overall, success?
Success!
Success. Boarding Group 4, success.